Hey, I'm Dr. Ward. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, and I am giving you tips on complications and things that you can do to improve your results with facial plastic surgery. Today, I'm talking about things that you can do to improve your results with rhinoplasty, and one specific thing that you can do in terms of taking care of your skin. That might seem kind of crazy because you're thinking, with rhinoplasty, you're doing this stuff under the skin, right? Like we're working with the cartilage, the bone underneath the skin. But let me tell you, we actually have some really important issues with our skin that can lead to some big changes in terms of how our nose improves after surgery. So let me tell you three things that can really be helpful to improve your skin before and after your rhinoplasty. Okay, first of all, this seems so simple that many people won't want to do it. But using something simple, something that you've all heard of probably for your skin, can be really helpful for your nose. That's salicylic acid. So I typically recommend that my patients use a salicylic acid cleanser as well as a salicylic acid wipe before and after their rhinoplasty. I mean, forever. It's just a great thing. Because you see, the nose is part of that T-zone of the face, which has a whole bunch of pores and has a whole bunch of oil production. That area on the nose can build up with oil and with sebum. And what salicylic acid does, it's a beta hydroxy acid. So what that does is it exfoliates the skin that's blocking your pores. Number two, it softens up the sebum, which is the oil that our skin produces, to help clear that out more. Why is that important? Well, in addition to that sebum just kind of being gross, it can also be a source where bacteria can live. So it helps get rid of those bacteria so that you can then not be as likely to have inflammation of the nose. Salicylic acid is also an anti-inflammatory, so it can help decrease the inflammation that your nose has. So it can be a really important thing to help make sure that your skin doesn't thicken and cause as much scar tissue after your rhinoplasty. I typically tell people start it as soon as possible before your rhinoplasty. Keep doing it up until the time of your rhinoplasty. Start it about a week after, like once the cast is off, start it again. And then just keep using it because it can make a big difference. The second thing that can be really helpful is benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is a great medication. It's an antibiotic. It helps treat bacteria. So it's going to decrease the bacteria on the skin. So using it on the nose, as well as doing a little bit in each nostril, can help decrease the bacteria. Again, I have people start this as soon as they know that they're planning on it, and then start it about a week or so, start it again about a week or so after their rhinoplasty procedure is done. The third thing that is beneficial is some sort of vitamin A, retinoid, isotretinoin, tretinoin, retinol derivative, okay? All those come from the same family. There's a whole discussion we could have about which is more effective. They all work to some degree. Just use something. The best thing that you can do with that is do that at nighttime, where you put some on your nose. Now, use it for your whole face, yes, but the nose in specific, because it is in that T-zone, it's going to be more oily. It's going to help decrease the oil, decrease the inflammation, increase the cell turnover, just overall give your skin a healthier appearance. I have people continue that until about a week or so before their rhinoplasty, and then start at about 2 weeks after their rhinoplasty. That's not a hard and fast rule, but it's a rough rule of thumb. In terms of what product to use, you need to use something that's good. I recommend Form RX, which is the skincare line, in full disclosure, that I started, so of course I think it's the best. It was really made for surgical patients, but anything works. You just need to find those things and find something that you're going to use. So those are some tips on how you can get a good result after your rhinoplasty and help ensure a better result. If you'd like more, send me a message. And don't forget to like,